Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is belief. I need you to believe in yourself. I need you to believe in your gift. I need you to believe in what you've started off and you started your journey on. Because it takes time. You never know when your breakthrough is going to happen. But just as the seasons break through, and you never know when that warm weather is coming through, that consistent summer weather, that consistent spring weather, you never know when the blessings will rain in and your transition, you step into your community, your place of being, your place of elevation. But we need you to believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, that's going to show others that you give them something to believe in. How you treat yourself, how you treat your dreams is how everyone else is going to treat your dreams and how they're going to treat you. So make sure you get the biggest magnitude of support, belief in yourself, outstanding radical belief, and guarantee you'll be contagious, and the rest of the world will only just catch it, and then you'll be elevated. I believe in myself and the beauty of life and the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of the Almighty supports me, so why stop now? Why have disbelief when the Almighty has your back? When they say they support you, they support your dreams, they support your service. In this case, you can never lose, only if you stop. And if you understand my voice, you come too far to stop now. So keep pressing forward and get what you deserve. My life is showered with divine light, and my heart opens to the power of the universe. Hey, Gemini, love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.